Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a video that I will include in the challenge I'm participating in, that is the Look for Less challenge for January 2019. It's a challenge that Jamie from the Latina Next Door channel hosts almost every month, and it's awesome. I love it. And I love her channel too. I've been a subscriber for a year or so, and I really recommend you to visit her channel. Also, she is co-hosting with Kristin from Kristin's Chaotic Life, and I'm new to that channel, but I really like it. If you need inspiration, if you like shop with me videos, if you need motivation to clean, organize, etc., that's the channel for you. So I will leave the links to those channels below, and let's get into the video. The challenge consists in choosing a piece of home decor that you like but that is really expensive, and to try to recreate it yourself, spending much more or less money, if it makes any sense. I'm sorry, my table is moving. Let me see. Better now. This is, well, I have my best friend's upcoming birthday in February. So she's redecorating her bathroom. So I thought I would love to make some pieces of decor for that bathroom and put them in a nice basket. So I wanted mason jars, and I wanted them to decorate. I wanted to decorate them in a farmhouse style. So I was checking ideas, and I found this at Wayfair, the Wayfair site. I needed just 2 mason jars, but look at the price. It's like $16 per jar. I can't believe it, and they didn't have the lid. They cost $1. This ribbon is $1.03 ribbon, and this is regular burlap and twine, and I don't know, I can't justify the price. So I had the mason jars, I had the ribbon, the $1.03 ribbon. I've already decorated this one to save time and not make this video long and too long. And as you can see, it's the same ribbon. And I bought these hotel soaps, very inexpensive, on, I think it's Amazon. I will try to remember to leave the link below. And I had this bath soak stuff and this mason jar. So for this one, I use acrylic paint and this $1.03 stencil. I use the word live. I had to give it 2 coats because just one didn't look really good. So, well, in this case I glued the ribbon, the burlap ribbon, with the glue gun, and I'm going to do the same with this one. I'm just folding it to have the center of the ribbon. I'm going to apply just a couple of dots here, because otherwise you can notice them, and I don't want that. So this is the middle. Okay, here we go. And now I'm just going to glue it here. Like so. I should be using my protectors, my fingers, silicone fingers. I love them. Here we go. Again. Let's press this. And the last border, like so. Well, okay, so here I have both mason jars decorated. I forgot to bring the twine. I want to add twine here, and I'll do that later, but you don't need to see this because you know how to do it. So sorry about that, I forgot, I really forgot. Then I have this basket, and I want to place everything here. I place some foam under the lining of the basket. My friend then can untie this and remove the foam. And I'm going to place the mason jars like this. Let me see. I have a loofah here that I want to place. Let me see how it looks better. And I have this hand towel. Look. I like how they look when they are rolled. So I think I'm going to place this here. Yeah, I like this. Then I'm going to wrap all this stuff after adding the twine, all this stuff with that cellophane, that paper that you use to wrap things, and then when you use your blow dryer in the hot position, it shrinks and everything gets kind of trapped and don't move. I have to go to Dollar Tree and buy more. I thought I had leftovers from the holidays. I don't. So I'll go to... My friend's birthday is February 13th, so I still have time to go to Dollar Tree and buy one of those bags they sell. They come with a white ribbon, so it's going to be perfect for this arrangement. But anyway, what I wanted you to see, sorry it was out of frame, I wanted you to see how I could recreate these items for a ridiculous less amount of money, because it is $1 too. The ribbon is $1 the roll, so this is also from Dollar Tree, but it's the one that comes without the lace. So let's say another dollar and another dollar, $4, $2 per jar, and compare it to $16 per jar. It's nonsense. It's absolute nonsense. So well, I hope you like my idea. I hope it helps you to find another items that you can recreate at home for less. And thank you so much, Jamie, for always hosting these awesome challenges, and to Kristin also for the inspiration I found in her channel. Please visit both channels, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.